Hai semuanya, apa kabar? This is your pipsqueak host, Maad.
Oh, sorry, my finger.
So today, this is our full family. Saya dan ibu atau bunda. Iya. Oh, bunda. Alright, so today we're gonna tell you about this thing called onomatopoeia.
What a difficult word.
So, if you don't know what onomatopoeia is words that imitate a sound or noise. Like, for example, smash. Smash was a perfect example because it was frantic. So, basically, I'm gonna say an English noise, like woof woof. Mommy will say it's Indonesian variation, and Daddy here will say the Hungarian version. So you'll get a little glimpse of other languages. Well, except for like Korean and Japanese and Russian and
One eternity later.
Shall we begin?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Chicken. Cluck cluck.
Dalam bahasa Indonesia, how to say it? Kokok petok, kokok petok, kokok petok.
That sounds seriously insane in English.
Ayah, bahasa Hongaria.
I have no idea.
Terlalu tegang jadi lupa.
Lupa.
I guess.
Lupa.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going mad.
You are mad. How you call chicken in English? Cluck cluck.
Sadness. I don't know how to say it.
Do you know?
In English?
Oh no, in Hungarian.
P. Not English P.
Does the chicken turn their head if you say
I guess they
pee?
get used to it.
Kalau bahasa Indonesia, ini bahasa Jawa ya, dulu mbah saya punya ayam kalau panggil kur gitu. Ini bahasa Jawa, mungkin saya tercampur ya. Oke, next, rooster.
Yeah. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Kukuruyu!
That's similar. Kukuriku.
Ya, mirip.
Donkey. In English, it's meow.
Saya nggak tahu keledai bunyinya gimana di bahasa Indonesia. Kayaknya nggak ada ya.
What does punya mean?
Bunyi. Punya means have.
Tidak punya.
Tidak punya, iya, kita tidak punya keledai atau kedelai. Keledai itu kan donkey, kedelai itu soya.
Ia.
Hungarian donkey says ia. Next, kuda.
Nay! Simple as that.
Sama kali ya.
Nyo.
Nihoho. Frog.
Ribbit.
Teoteblung. How's your frog?
It was so long and funny.
I think it would be prekekek.
Brakakak, brakata.
It's not frog, it's your fault. How to call cat?
Kinda like, here, kitty, kitty. I'm bad at calling animals, honestly.
Bahasa Indonesia? Pus.
Meow.
Pus. Meow. Bener kan kalau kita panggil pus? Pasti kucingnya bilang meow. Hungarian.
Tit. Tit.
How can you call cat tit?
Well, they're Hungarian cat. They speak Hungarian. Hungarian tit.
Pus.
Like Hungarian cats won't understand that.
Tit. Ayo teman-teman sekarang coba ngomong ya. Tit.
Normally, when they're normal, they're just like woof woof. But when they're happy, they go bow wow.
Guk guk. Guk. Friend.
Vo.
Whoa, yo, that was some fake sneezing there.
Wahing. Nggak tahu kalau bahasa Indonesia bener nggak ya wahing. Kalau bahasa Jawa pasti wahing bilangnya.
Wahing. Doesn't sound like a sneeze at all, honestly.
Wahing. Doesn't sound like sneeze.
That just sounds like a person who is overexcited.
I thought, okay. You in Hungarian?
Hopsy.
That's a very difficult sound to imitate.
But that's like the best sneeze I've ever heard, honestly. That sounds super realistic compared to achu or wahi.
Wahing.
Compared to wahing or achu. That actually sounds pretty impressive. Round of applause for Maya. Crunch, 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 crunch. I've heard you make that noise for more than 1,000,000 times.
We don't really have a sound for it. We have the verb, which sounds maybe similar to ropog.
Bahasa Inggris kan ada goat, ada sheep. Saya nggak tahu bedanya suaranya goat sama sheep itu apa ya teman-teman. Kalau saya kambing ya kambing aja bunyinya be begitu. Is that sheep or goat?
I kind of think it's both.
For me in Indonesian, it's both. For you, then?
It's the same in Hungarian. So be is sheep and me is goat.
Jadi kalau bahasa Hongaria beda antara goat sama sheep. Saya kalau bahasa Indonesianya apa ya? Kambing, ya kambing. Biri-biri kali ya. Biri-biri sama kambing. Biri-biri is sheep and kambing is goat. Maybe. Saya bukan ahli perkambingan.
Pew!
Oh, that's anak-anak. Ya, gannya anak-anak. Piu, piu, piu. Ya, door.
I just wanted everything to be kid-friendly.
That's okay.
I don't know, we have a few words, I guess, like you could say poof, puff, boom.
Poof sounds like you're vanishing.
Okay, this one we use it a lot when something falls. When you fall from the bed, for example. Boom. Geludak.
Like an explosion.
When you're small, maybe klitik. When you drop key, karena orang Jawa kan banyak bunyi-bunyian kayak gini ya. Kalau kecil ya klitik, kalau besar gelodak gitu ya. Kalau lebih besar lagi gedubrak kan gitu. Hungarian.
What was that previous noise you made?
Gedubrak. Ini orang Jawa kan ahlinya ya guys, bunyi-bunyian kayak begini.
Gedubrak.
Gedubrak.
That would be me if I was all three of our weight combined.
Yeah.
Then I would be.
We will fall gedubrak like that. And then Hungarian. Hungarian is the quietest.
Gedubrak.
Poof.
Orang Jawa.
That's the gun sound, dude.
Similar.
So it sounds like something really small or disappearing, right?
False.
Poof.
Orang Jawa jatuhnya suaranya kenceng, gedubrak. Orang Hongaria puff. And then snoring.
I think it's. I don't know if that's English sound.
I don't know in Indonesian either. How can you snore? Louder.
Pici-pi.
Teman-teman, orang Hongaria
How
kalau
can you
ngorok,
snore like that? That's crazy.
orang Hongaria kalau ngorok pici-pi.
Pici-pi.
Perhatikan, pici-pi. Pici-pi.
Ouch!
Aduh.
Aduh, celananku melorot.
Au.
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 Like a wolf.
Yes.
Au. Kayak serigala. Oke. Mouse.
Squeak, squeak.
Cin.
Somebody help.
Cin. Knocking sound. The word itself is imitating sound. The game?
Boom, 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 boom. Knock, 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 knock. Knock, 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 knock. Knock.
Kop.
Again with the thumb beating keys.
Okay, telephone.
Ring, ring, ring.
have a verb. Again, we have a verb which is çörek, so maybe from the çör. I'm not.
That doesn't sound like a telephone ringing.
Çörek o telefon.
Okay.
When you want someone to be quiet. Irregular one.
Iya, tapi
Yes, and usually we would ask, is your head leaking? Sounds like air is coming out from your head.
from your ears.
Somebody help.
Oke, jadi begitulah bunyi-bunyian kita hari ini.
The end of the humor. Judging by my memory, those are all the sounds we could think of at least. So yeah, it was very funny. I laughed a lot, so did she, and so did he, I guess. So yeah, we hope you got entertained by this entertaining compilation of entertaining sounds. If you want more entertainment from our entertainment channel, are you Petreny dan Maad? Please click the subscribe button and ring that bell like it's our entertaining doorbell for more entertainment. Alright guys, so we'll see you in the next entertaining video which comes out someday in the future. I don't know when. Sampai jumpa di video berikutnya, if I remember correctly. Bye.